How to fix not being able to hear stream on Discord mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fix the problem like not being able to hear stream on Discord mobile. So let's get started. First you have to open Discord application on your mobile. After you open Discord, from here at the bottom right corner tap on U. From the section tap on settings just at the top right. From settings section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option voice. From voice section, make sure that on the section output or soundboard, make sure you had set to the at least 50% or maximum volume from here, and after you set the maximum volume from here, you'll have to back from here and from this way open up any App Store or Play Store on your device. After you open App Store in the source field, you'll have to search for Discord. From the section, if you find any update, tap on the update option to update latest version of Discord on your device, and after you complete this from here, your problem should be gone now. If you are still facing that problem, make sure that other applications are not using your mic or audio. For that, clear all of the recent application from your device, and after you do this, your problem should be gone now. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.